Hi and welcome to this video in which I'm so excited to show you the products that I use on my hair. Each time I damage it a bit by putting some bleach on it and making it more blonde. And I have a bunch of products here in my hand. There are quite a few and I'm going to show you how I use them, and I'm going to speak a bit about them and tell you my thoughts on them, and hopefully this video will help your hair too. But first, please let me know if you're gonna like this video by clicking the like button after this video is over if you thought it was useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to keep you notified each time I post something new. Now let's start this video, and I have a bunch of products here in my hand. There are quite a few and I'm going to show you how I use them. These are nothing new on the market, I believe, but since I started using them and incorporated them in my routine, I noticed a big difference to how my hair looks. And as soon as you dye your hair or you bleach your hair, did you notice your hair looks dry, drained out, and that damages hair? And therefore I do think of ways to restore the shine of my hair and the softness, and one of my ways is my warm oil hair mask that I have on my channel. I can just put it somewhere here or link it underneath in the comment section if you're interested. That's my first DIY hair mask that I go to as soon as my hair needs a bit of TLC. A bit of taking care of, you know, to soften the locks and to create a bit of shine and put back some hydration into the hair strand. That mask really helps a lot. But when it comes to having time to make a mask, sometimes that's a problem because I'm not in the mood to stay, just even if it doesn't take long. I sometimes want to, when I jump in the shower and wash my hair, to just have some sort of products to help my hair out. And that's why I use these products now, and I bought a bunch of them to use one after the other so I can help my hair when I need to wash it anyway. And I'm going to show you the products that I use at the moment. You probably heard about them. If you haven't used them, then I'm going to speak a bit more about them in this video, and then you'll get to decide if you think your hair would benefit from them too or not. The first one that I'm going to start with is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It says here that it repairs and strengthens the hair, and this is a mask that you use once a week or 2 to 3 times per week for really damaged hair. I wash my hair about 2 times a week, and I use this every time. Since I dyed my hair, I use that every time I washed my hair. The way I use it, I wet my hair in the sink, just my head, I put it in the sink. So it takes a bit of planning really, because I don't have time all the time to make masks, to put masks on my hair. So therefore I plan in my head, well, either way I'm gonna wash my hair today, so I'm just gonna pop this Olaplex number 3 on my hair and then wash my hair like normal in the shower. And I'm gonna put these away because I'm holding a bunch of products right now. So I put this on my hair. How I do it, I think to myself, okay, I'm gonna grab my coffee. Just before I grab my coffee, I put my head in the sink, and I have a little plastic pot there, plastic thingy that I have there for when I do my nails, to just soak my hand, and I use that to put water on my hair. I just dump my hair, I wet my hair and remove the excess water on a towel, and then I pop this baby on my hair. This Olaplex number 3, and I leave it on for about half an hour to an hour. Sometimes I forget about it, to be honest with you, and I leave it on for longer, like 2 hours. I stay with it on my head because I put it on my hair and then I put my hair in a towel wrap, something like that. I just wrap my hair in these and I just stay like that for half an hour, sometimes more. It says here to leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Today I washed my hair and it's freshly washed, and I've stayed with this on for 2 hours because I was doing some work on my computer, and 2 hours I stay with it on, which is good. It's good if you can leave it for longer, but 10 minutes minimum it's desired to leave it on. And then after this is done, I go in the shower, wash my hair with the Olaplex number 4, which is the shampoo. And it says here, bond maintenance shampoo, repairs, straightens and hydrates all hair types. And it has 250 ml, this one that I have, which is 8.5 ounces. and it says here, use every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex number 3, which I did use. Hair perfected from here, lather and rinse. It's a shampoo. The shampoo has a really soft, silky texture, and you only need a small blob to create a lot of lather, actually, this one. And I have this for a few months now. I stopped using it at some point. I have this for a year maybe, or less. But because I just dyed my hair again, so I dyed my hair in November last year, I was using this and then I stopped after a while. And now, because I dyed my hair again, I've been using this every time I washed my hair since I dyed it, which is a week and a half ago. I think so. So this is the shampoo. After this shampoo, today I've put the Purple Shampoo that I use because I wanted to remove a bit from the brassiness, you know, the yellowness, and just to keep it more ashy and neutral blonde, how most of us like it. And I did that. But usually if I don't use my Purple Shampoo, I just use the Olaplex and then I go in with the hair mask that I'm gonna show you. But I want to mention here that I use my Purple Shampoo about once a week. So today it happens that I've used the Purple Shampoo. So after the shampoo stage, of course, comes the conditioner, but I don't have the Olaplex number 5. I want to get it to try it. But some people in the reviews that I read said that didn't make the difference, that any conditioner would make more of a difference than Olaplex number 5, so it's no point. Some people were happy with it, so maybe I would be one of those people that would be happy with it, so maybe I should at least try it and see that if I'm one of those people, but I don't have the conditioner. So therefore what I do have at the moment is really good. It's a mask that I use after the shampoo, and I've been using that mask more often. Actually, every time I wash my hair since I dyed it, I've used that mask, and it's the L'Oreal Series Expert B6 Plus Biotin Enforcer. And this smells absolutely amazing. Now I got used to the smell a bit more, you know, when you use a product a lot, you get used to it. But at the beginning, when I smelled it, I thought, oh, it smells so fantastic. And this has 16.9 ounces, which is 500 ml, so half a kilogram, like half a liter here. It's a big box. I have this for a while. I have it since last year in autumn or something, or summer. I have it for a while and it's still going strong. Oh, I just touched it on my face. It looks very pretty pink like that. I will for sure repurchase this product because this has been the best hair mask I have ever used in my life when it comes to bought products, you know. Amazing. I recommend it for people that have dry hair or needing hydration in the length on the hair, you know, on the length of the hair. If you need hydration and your hair to be smooth, and get this mask. If your hair is dyed, bleached, or just damaged, this mask I promise you will love. I'll link it down below as well. It's amazing. After I finish with that, I come out the shower and I put some Olaplex number... what number was it? Number 6. It's number 6. Bond Smoother. Leave-in reparative styling cream. Reduces frizz, nourishes and protects, it says here. And I put this like a leave-in conditioner in my mind. It's like that. I put this all over my damp hair, and it immediately feels softer and more easier to manage. I immediately feel that, you know. And yes, it's easier to comb through after this goes in. I only put a little bit. And it says here, apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair. I think I applied quite a lot from this. I should apply less, but I'm so desperate to get it on me. Concentrating product on your mid-length to ends. Comb through and style as desired. But I actually put a bit here as well, just because it's dyed all the way through and bleached, and I want the smoothness and the, you know, reducing of the frizz to happen here as well. And I don't go in the scalp, you know, but I break the rules a bit just because I put a bit on the surface. And after this, I go in with the Olaplex number 7, which looks very cute and shiny. This bonding oil has 30 ml, which is 1 ounce in here. And it smells really nice. Actually, it doesn't have a... it smells nice, but it's very faint, the smell. You know, this has more of a smell, the Bond Smoother number 6, than this. And I applied this as well just because this has heat protection as well, which is amazing for an oil. And yeah, I also apply it after I dry my hair. And these products and all of them together from Olaplex, I really see a big difference. They help a lot, basically. I see a big difference, and I recommend them to you if you dyed your hair, if you bleached your hair, if your hair is damaged from heat or, you know, dye. I'm repeating myself a lot right now. Just try something from Olaplex. What I recommend you try first to see if you like this brand is the Olaplex #3. This one, try first, because this is the treatment that goes before you shampoo your hair. And I think that this is the first product that I bought first, actually, from Olaplex, and then I got the shampoo. I thought, let me try, but I think I'm gonna get the conditioner as well, just to try it out and see. Now, this was my video about what I do to my hair. I hope it helps you to maybe decide if these products would be for you as well. It helps you restore some shine and some luster in your locks. And let me know if this video was helpful by liking it. Please let me know so I know if this content helps. And please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you stay notified each time I post something new. And don't forget to please leave me a comment and say hello in the comment section. I would love to know your thoughts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!